Hello everyone, welcome to YellowGreys. In this video, we are going to learn about null reference exception in UiPath. Already I have explained selector not found exception in my previous video. If you want to refer to selector not found exception, watch it, and also I have given the link below in the description. Before we get into practice, let's see what is null reference. Usually, this null reference is derived from the System.Exception, and it will occur when using a variable with no set value. Note that with no set value or the variable not initialized Okay, initializing a variable, it can prevent null reference error down the line. There are so many variables types required to initialize. For example, list, dictionary, and so on. These are a couple of variables that require you to initialize them. Generally, when it comes to variable, there are two different ways of initializing them. One is the implicit method, another one is an explicit method. What is the implicit method? Assume that you have created a variable and you have used an assign activity and you are giving a value to it. Okay? This means during the process execution, you are providing a value to them. Okay? Next, what is explicit method? While you are declaring a variable, you are giving a default value to it, right? It means you are initializing it. Okay? I hope you understood the difference between implicit and explicit. Now, come to the practical session of null reference. Look at the screen. I will create a workflow that is relevant to initialize the variable. Drag and drop an assign activity and press Ctrl K to create a dictionary variable. I am going to create a variable name as dic age, that means dictionary age, which means I am storing someone age into a dictionary variable. Okay. Now we have declared the variable, but if you look at this variable type in the variable panel, still it's showing as a string, right? Let me change this into dictionary variable type. To do that, click on the variable type and select browse for types and select the system.collections.generic.dictionary key value pair. After selection, select the key as a string because the key was the name, and select the value as integer 32. Since we have the value as integer, which we are referring as the age of the person, then click on OK. Once you declare the dictionary type, go on assign the value. Click on the assign activity and select to field. Here you have already declared the dictionary value. Now I will add the key to the dictionary. Let's add the key name as Rohit with the open and close bracket with double quotes and click OK. Then add the age into the value field. Let's say age is 27 and click on OK. Now we have declared the key and value to the field. Simply add one more activity to store one more dictionary value, since we know that we can store multiple key value pair in the dictionary. Drag and drop an assign activity and call the dictionary variable and add the key name as Raju within the open and close bracket with the double quotes. And add his age as 35 as a value. Now everything is done. Let's run this project to see what will happen. The bot is unable to execute because there is an error, runtime execution error, and exception type is System.Null.Reference.Exception. When an error appears on the screen, you have to look at which variable creating the issue. That is the one of the best way to check the issue. Now click OK. Let's see how to handle this error. To handle this, go to your variable panel. Look at here, everything is correct, including a variable name and variable type. In this case, the only thing is we missed to initialize the variable. Okay. Now let's initialize the variable in the default field as new dictionary of string, comma, integer 32 within brackets. Now everything is all set. Let's run the bot or debug again and to see the bot performance. Now everything is ran successfully without any exception. That means we cleared null reference exception, and also you are clear about what is null reference exception. Am I correct? This is the one of the example to understand the null reference exceptions. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and support. Connect with us for more tutorials.